Nokia 3200 Disassembly, screen replacement and repair. Remove your back cover, battery and SIM. Pull the front cover away, starting near the top of the phone. Your phone should now look like below. Remove the 6 screws you can see, then lift the LCD screen and board away from the rest of the phone. The metal LCD frame is held in place by 4 clips, indicated by the arrows. Pull these back in order to remove the frame. With the metal LCD frame removed, your phone should look like below. The circled connector needs to be disconnected. It attaches like a plug-in socket. Just lever it up, away from the phone to unplug. Now simply lift the LCD screen away. Reverse the whole procedure for reassembly. If you've found this disassembly guide useful, please support formimobile.co.uk and order the tools and parts you need from our site. We ship worldwide.